Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be making some other abstract figures. I'm using these molds and I will be using Jesin today. The last time I worked with the abstract molds I used resin and I did the labradite pour. So today I'm just going to do a marbling and I want to use this Nizza, just different shades of blue, the Cosmic, River, and Vivid. So I'm going to mix up my Jesin, and if you haven't seen this mix before, you can refer to my other video where I made the clock with Jesin, and it is a 2-to-1 ratio. So I will mix that and I will be right back. Okay, my Jesin is now mixed and I'm going to separate it into 4 cups but also still leave a little plain. And for reference, I use 75 liquid and 150 powder to do these 3 molds. This is extremely strong pigment, so I'm only going to start by adding 2 drops to start, just to see where that lands me. The lighter colors often aren't as strong as the darker ones, but I don't want to risk not having the right color. I'm going to add 2 more drops. Okay, and I'm happy with that color, so that was 4 drops of the Nizza. And now I'm going to put in some of the Cosmic. In this, I'm going to start with 1 drop. I might have 1 more. Alright, so that was 3 drops of the Cosmic. And now I'm going to use the River Blue. Again, I'm going to start with 1 drop. Alright, so that was 3 drops of the River Blue. Looks very different than what it looks like in the bottle. Okay, and the last color is the Vivid, and I've used this before, so I know I need like 10 drops of it. Alright, and now I'm just going to layer these back into my cup. Okay, and now that all my colors are in, I'm just going to give a little swirl, and then I'm going to start pouring. Now I'm going to do only partial in each, because otherwise they'll all wind up with different colors. And I am going to stop and shake my molds and squeeze down here to make sure that it fills in the head area. Alright, and then I'll just continue. Alright, I do need a little more Jesin, so I will mix that up. Probably looks like I need about another 50 grams. So I'm going to do 40 powder, 20 liquid. And this actually kind of worked out to my favor because I want the bottom to be darker. So I'm going to put 5 drops of this blue. And then I'm going to pour that back into my plane. Give it a swirl. And now I'm going to fill it. Okay, give it a little shake. Be careful since it's filled. So I started off with 150. I added 90 more. So total to fill these 3 with Jesin is 240 grams. So whatever that math winds up to be. Alright, now you just want to let them sit and cure. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, they should be cured now, so I'm just going to demold. Let's see what we have. Now when you're demolding these, the easiest way to do it is to kind of pull it up and then push your fingers right there where the head is and kind of push down to push that head out. And they should just pop right out when you do that. All right, you ready to see? That turned out really cool. Love it. A little extra on the edge right here. You can always just use a nail file on it. But that turned out really pretty. I love that. Okay, here's the other. Super cool. Love it. Very interesting looking. And this is the one where I put the dark at the bottom. Which I like that. And here's the last one. Oh, look at what happened there. That is so cool. I feel like I use cool too much, but it's amazing what this stuff does all by itself. I love this. It's almost like stripes, but very organic. So this is the 3 pieces. I think they turned out fantastic. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and press the bell to be alerted to future videos.